Gila casta chlan nigo am kamanawati gaichlach yilis gaichlach namgis. Lachten hatmabit when anis hawini pula ogwa lach gasses chadzakwas talachte. Hamabiten klachwa kakao glu kunik wal sa iba. Yeah, it's always nice to have a visitor. So my auntie came to visit and came to hang out for about an hour with me, but no, she stayed until the last ferry. So she came over and we do this maybe every 2 weeks. She'll just come and have dinner with me, come visit, and we go shopping, or we just take a little solo trip. Well, not solo trip, but take a trip together and spend time together and fill my cup, because I literally get lonely over here. I don't have anybody. I get frustrated. Anyway, besides all that, let's get back down to business. Okay, so we've been learning vowels, and I will start teaching you other ways of forming sentences, but for now we're going to take it easy, take it slow, so you're going to learn every single vowel I'm teaching and learning how to use it with the sounds, okay? Or consonants. So, how you get gachen? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Again. One more time. Oh, yeah. So just keep practicing. You can even find a vowel song and a tune that you can do. You could even do Happy Birthday over and over with vowels. Like you can go E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U, E, I, O, U. I know it seems real basic, but it's really important to learn those vowels. Okay, let's get to business. So the consonant that we stopped at, I believe, was the H, which is just a okay? It's just a ha, he, he, ho, who, right? So now the next, we're going to skip this next one because it's a vowel, which is an I. And we're going to skip the other one too, which is a K, because that one's going to be a little bit tricky to learn. So we're going to go to KW, okay? So how you get la gachen. Go like that. You can actually feel air coming out if you go like this. Okay, try again. Now you're going to combine that with a sound, okay, with your vowel. Your first vowel is an A. Kwa. Try again. You can feel the air. It's just like when you're blowing the candles out. Okay, so kwa, kwe, kwe, kui, ko, ku. Of course, I'm overly emphasizing this sound. It's just so you know how to use your mouth, okay? So, kwa, kwe, kwe, kui, ko, ku. Kwa, kwe, kwe, kui, ko, ku. Okay, so you're gonna try that, okay? And then I had air blowing right into my throat. The next vowel, or the next consonant is it's actually explosive K, but we're going to skip that. We're going to go to explosive KW, okay? So explosive KW actually is a K with a little dash above it and a W. So the K with a dash above it is called an explosive. Okay, if it has a dash above it, it's called explosive. So it's above it. Okay, and that's usually, you know, you're using that is when it like. So listen to how the sound is. You hear that? Try it with your mouth. Okay, it's kind of explosive. Okay, so listen to the KW. Now explosive. Okay, it's kind of like sits up. Right there. It hits the top of your palate. Sorry, lumchen. Okay. E O U. Again. E O U. How you get gachen? E O U. Again. E O U. Because these sounds are so similar, we're going to stay with these ones, okay? So let's just say qua, que, que, qui, quo, ku. Qua, que, I, o, u. Qua, que. Oh my goodness, Lamhuen. Okay, we're gonna do those again. Okay, not as fast as we can, but how you get la gachen. We're gonna start with a KW, which is just the wind, right? And the second one is okay. I keep choking on my own air. Okay, try again. Qua, que, qui, quo, ku. Qua, I, o, u. Qua, que, qui, quo, ku. You can feel the air. That's why it's called a windy sound, okay? Now, qua, I, o, ooh. If I go like this, that's an explosive sound, okay? So that's what we're trying to do, is helping you understand and getting your ear used to these sounds, because they're not easy and it's going to get harder. And I'll give you a little sneak peek of the next one is try practice that one over and over. Okay? So like uminawaka. Okay? Umis. Okay? So anyway, just a little sneak peek of what we're going to do tomorrow. Keep practicing sounds, keep practicing the sounds, keep practicing reading, keep practicing writing, and through that it will only get easier and better. It takes a while for our tongue to get used to it, and I was just talking about that today, is that I had to learn too. Like although I was surrounded by the language and I know a lot, I don't know everything though, so I'm always learning every day. So Qila cast o'chla, llachwala nukwin clus hala cast o'chla.